Hi everyone, welcome to my painting demonstration today. I'm Kate. We are going to paint these colorful Hydrangea Macrophylla, which is blooming right now. It is a genus of more than 75 species of flowering plants in Asia and the Americas. It comes in a lot of different colors, from powder blue like this one's, or pink to purple. It really depends on the pH value of the soil. Today we're going to paint these blue ones. To start, I'm using blue only to paint the flowers. Of all the colors of this type of hydrangea flowers, I prefer the blue ones because it just looks fresh and different. This type of hydrangea is also called the mob hat hydrangea, which means that the flower hat looks like a pom-pom, and that's exactly what it looks like. So what I'm doing is to paint 4 petals flowers to form the big flower. For the broad leaves, I'm going to use the large brush to take some yellow to mix with the blue and then get some red at the tip when I paint the leaves. Now I'm using a smaller brush to paint a few stems. Now I'm painting a butterfly using ink. Someone has asked me questions about the type of paper to use for gongbi, the realistic kind of Chinese painting. My best guess would be half white or white paper. There are also a lot of different brands. Some are really expensive. The one that I'm using right now is a half white rice paper, and I can paint the butterfly. I don't know if you consider it very detailed, but I do. I think that it is quite detailed to me, and the lines are fine. And it's okay, you just have to control the amount of water in your brush belly. And I've been using this brush since I started the channel, so it's been a while, and it's still okay. I think that I may be able to use it for a few more months. So if you'd like to see more of my painting demonstration, please subscribe, hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss out the next update. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.